There's a bass. Oh, yep, I think that's a smallie. Yep. I mean, just absolutely slammed on this little brat. Yep. Oh, this isn't a bad bass. It's a lot better than I thought it was. Yeah, buddy. That's another one, boys. Yeah. I like it. Beautiful. Another taco. Good morning and welcome back to another episode of Tackle Jocks. Today we are back at the South Holston River, as you can see. I'm getting ready to do the Eastman Haul. You guys have seen that a few times, but this is an exception. I've never done it in the spring, usually because the water's so high, but as you can see, the water levels are really low today. Really, really low. Like some of the lowest I've ever seen. So I know we're gonna be doing a lot of wading today. That's why we have donned the wetsuit. That way we can stay warm in these cold water conditions. It's probably gonna be like mid to low 50s in the water temp. And we're gonna be trying a few lures, but this is one of them. This is the Chase Page Drunken Mullet. This is the smaller version, but this is the Golden Shiner. And man, have I caught some tanks in this river on this style of lure right here, especially in the fall. But because it's springtime and there might be some finicky fish and maybe even some bedfish up here where we're going, we're also gonna be trying out this. This is a black, straight up black, totally black bitsy bug in the 1/4 ounce version. And as a trailer, we have a black, totally black Crawdaddy. If that color doesn't work, we have some others that we can try out, of course. And once we get up to the spillway, we're gonna be trying this lure right here. This is the Berkeley Nessie. It's a soft plastic glide bait. As you can see, ton of action gonna be coming out of this. And in fact, I'll go ahead and give it one cast out here, right in front of this tree. This tree is new, so you never know. Largies do like to sit here, and the occasional hog smallie will also take a bite of this. No doubt in my mind. If they'll eat a 6-inch mag draft, they'll eat this 7-inch Nessie. No doubt. Especially when the water is really calm up there. It's gonna be pretty much glass beside the wind. Like I said, there's not gonna be a lot of current coming out. You can see how low it is right now. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and get in the water for our first spring Eastman Haul. Whoa. I'm pretty sure I just ran up on a river otter mating session. I've never seen that before. But one was mounted and biting the back of the other's neck like a cat would. I'm inclined to believe that's what it was. They were just sitting right here. Crazy, man. Here's a bass. Oh, yep, I think that's a smallie. Yep, let's go. Yeah, it certainly is a smallie. Yeah. Wow. A fighter. Look at that, boys. An absolute fighter. That's the thing about this river, man. I mean, you're always gonna catch quality fish, and they're always gonna put up a fight too. Looky there, boys. I mean, just absolutely slammed on this little brat. Whew, that's a good sign for today. That's what we're after right there. I mean, it does it get any more perfect than that right there for a hook set. Okay, boys. Wow, that's the first quality little smallie of the year. Got a couple out of the clinch, but none are this size. Oh yeah, look at this. That's probably spawning bass right here. Grouped up in this current. There's more than one. They're getting chased there. Oh yeah, they're grouped up. They might even be in a competitive mode. Nice. So let's go ahead and send this beauty of a bronze bass back to where she belongs. Appreciate you, sweetheart. Oh, there she goes right there. That's sick. Oh, wow. Is he still on? Oh, yeah, he is. Oh, little fella. Come up here, big guy. Wow. This little bass is so pretty. Oh, man. Look at there. Absolutely micro bass. But a beautiful coloration on this bronze fish right here. Whoa, 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 buddy. I was gonna set you back. Taco's not one to cooperate. Appreciate you, big guy. Literally jumped out of the water with it in his mouth before I even knew I had him on. Yep. Oh, this isn't a bad bass. It's a lot better than I thought it was. Oh yeah, they're surprisingly not jumping too much today. The bigger ones aren't anyway. Yeah, got you, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's another one, boys. Look at that. Quality river smallie coming on the brat. Just a beauty. Let's get a quick pick and we'll send them right back. Alrighty. Look at that, boys. Beauty. Appreciate you, buddy. Off he goes. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yep. Oh, he spit it. That's a brim. There's a fatty. Oh, stop. Calm down, buddy. Alright, we're just gonna pick him up and drop him in the net. Nice, there we go, boys. Another bronzy right there. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous fish. Appreciate you, buddy. Adios. Wow, that was sick. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Looky there. Oh. Wow. This is literally first cast. That's a god tier sign, boys. Go. Yes, sir. Look at that. That is an absolutely beautiful smallmouth bass. Black on the bottom. You don't see a lot of this color. It's like a melanistic smallie. Absolutely beautiful. Gotta get a picture of this one. Gorgeous. What's the other side look like? Just as melanistic. Absolutely beautiful. Appreciate you, buddy. Back down he goes. Oh, stay down, stay down, stay down. Oh, wow. Feisty, I'm telling you, boys. Feisty bass. Look at there, feisty bass. You can tell how wired he is. He is just sprung up, ready to go. All right, buddy, I'll let you go. See you later. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yep. Oh, that's a solid bass right there. Oh, he's getting chased by another bass too. Oh. is a little better right there. There you go, boys. Flap slap coming out. Oh yeah. Now that is more like it. That's the smallie we were after today, boys. Hopefully we can get some more. That is just a beautiful golden bronze smallie. Alrighty, let's get her on the board. This one is 17 1/4. There you go, boys. Absolutely gorgeous bass. Beautiful golden bronze. Thick, fatty. See you later. Oh, it's a largie. Wow. Wow. Yo. Look at that, boys. Little river largie. I mean, every kind of bass is coming up with this. Look at this crazy one, too. This is what we're going to be fighting the rest of the day. This wind, and this current. Look at that little taco. Appreciate you, buddy. See you later. Yep. There we go. There's the bass. Oh, I thought I saw him chase it last time. Oh, stay down. Oh, wow, almost lost him right there. Literally right at the end of that. Yeah. You there, boys? That's another quality smallmouth bass right there. I was actually looking up to see if that was a boater coming up, but no, it is not. And we still have this honey hole to ourselves. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous golden bass. Alrighty. Let's say goodbye to this beauty. Appreciate you, buddy. Wow. There he goes. Yeah, I thought I saw him chase that. He came up and hit it the second time, though. Sweet. That's a good bass. Just have to keep it from jumping. Don't jump. Don't jump. Come here, come here. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that, boys. Yeah, that's much better than that. Right in the side of the mouth. Itsy bug jig and Crawdaddy. Look at that. Look at that, boys. Just a gorgeous bass right there. Absolutely beautiful. See you later, buddy. Oh my God. That is a huge carp, man. Missed a bite and a massive carp. How crazy. See this fish yet? Oh, there he is. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. These fish are feisty, man. No, come up here, buddy. Come up here and we'll be chill. He's still not giving up. Yeah. Yeah. Now that is it, boys. See, you'll catch a ton of fish on those shad imitations when you actually put down those shad imitations in the river. Oh man. And you pick up a crawdad imitation. Oh man. There are some magical things that can happen. Look at that beauty. That is a beautiful bass right there. Wow. All right. Not a lap hog, but another 17 1/4 right there. I've had this fish out of the water long enough. Let's go ahead and send him back. Beautiful, another taco. Look at that. There he goes. Just coasting back out. is a stud. Oh, no. No, that was a hog. That was a hog. Look at here, boys. Look at what a turtle that is. That is a mondo of a turtle. We're gonna let him go on his way. Oh, I got some smallies to catch. Don't worry, big guy. Look at him, there he goes, and he's off. Yep, that one's it. Oh my god. Oh my god. That might be my 5-pounder. Golly, that's a freaking pig, man.